You are going to love the 2023 Infiniti Qx80. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the Infiniti Qx80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The Qx80 is the most fuel-efficient of its kind and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, chrome wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.